Today is 1st November 2018. This is the female domestic short hair 19 years old cat.
Spayed already. Okay. Now the complaint is lethargic today, and you can see the breathing is quite fast. He had running nose 2 days ago, and also sneezing. How you coughing? Sneezing. You can see it's really fast breathing. The rectal temperature is 40.1. So there's a fever and not eating. 今天没有吃是吗？
没有吃。
昨天呢？
昨天也吃。
昨天也吃100%吗？
没有，他每次没有吃100%。
So losing appetite. Then you just have a quick look at the mouth. Any ulcers? Looks alright, Looks alright.
Okay, Tata, okay. Okay.
Oh, okay, there's a sore throat. There's a sore throat. Let me check the heart.
Okay, mommy sayang, okay?
Heart and lungs. Heart is okay. It's very good for 19 years old. Breathing very fast. There's a harsh lung sounds. On the right, this side. On the left, fast breathing and harsh lung sounds. Okay. We just see the color. It's not pale. 他有喝水吗？
有。
他普通吗？喝很多吗？
晚上喝挺多。
The nose is okay. The color a bit pinkish. Now there's a fever. 他有发烧吗？So other than that, let me check the abdomen. This cat is a bit fat.
他是肥啊。
Overweight. 19 years old is very old actually, but there are some cats living up to 20 over, but very rare in Singapore. So this is a very still very healthy cat.
他是从Australia 来的呢，以前。
Very healthy in the sense that at 19 years old, this cat can still walk around. So it went out. So what happened was 3 days ago.
Okay, mommy.
There's some pain here, some pain here. 他会小便吗？
早上有小便。
Some pain on the bladder area. Now the doctor put some revolution. 3天前是吗？Revolution. Under the here on the spot one. 他给了才有这个问题是吗？
一定要跟他查的。
Every month.
帮他爬痒啊。
Every month, the owner thinks that this one should stop the itch. Actually, this is not for itch. 这是给 fleas 这不是只养的。
我知道，我是说他每个月都跟他放哦。
So every month the owner will put spot one revolution. Since 很久了是吗？他年轻就做到。
在我家就有放。
是做很多年了是吗？
在我家。
几年了？
很多年。
So for the past few years, owner puts it in. So now this cat does go outside the house, so it might be infected by.
他没有下去了，以前就给他下，现在没有。
别的猫啊，在外面。
没有。再远一点有，可是
So
没有了。
the diagnosis is upper respiratory tract infection. There's a bit of sore throat here, so the cat also doesn't want to eat because the throat is painful. Other than that, 大便没有问题是吧？所以没有diarrhea。
早2天大便有一条，然后微微有一点水这样。
So no diarrhea. 小便可以小便吗？ So you can pee. So overall the diagnosis is upper respiratory tract infection, the lungs infected. Now what's the cause? It's very hard to tell. Bacteria, virus. So we'll stop there.